makes my campaigns truly effective long-term? Love the question. Truly effective long-term really means you have a clear strategy behind why you created a campaign. If you don't have a clear strategy, it's not going to be effective. Long-term, it's going to give you the impression that you know what you're doing. You just created a campaign, you hope for the best, and it's not working. And the worst case that you can put yourself in is hoping you figured it out and hoping you can replicate success, when in fact you cannot, just because you don't know what broke or what needs troubleshooting. So when it comes down to truly effective long-term strategy for your ads, I would say, is this campaign within the structure that we originally wanted to create it for? Does it fit still? If it's not fitting, it's not going to be long lasting. It's just going to bring some spend, and because you don't know why or when should you be pausing it, because you don't understand the reasoning behind, you're just going to spend money on things that don't work. I'm coming from the mindset that I did these mistakes when I started. Last quarter, I dabbled into Facebook ads, and here, confession session, right? I also watched a lot of videos, and it was the same journey when I did Amazon ads. Only thing is that I did not stuck with Facebook ads. But what I learned is that if I assume that I'm going to become as good as someone who's been running this type of ads for years and years, and that I assume I'm going to figure it out right away and duplicate the strategy, and I'm going to be good at it, even if I am humble enough to say that I'm still learning when it comes down to Amazon ads after 5+ years, and you are still going to be learning after years of experience and so on, because that is normal. Kind of it made me thought that just the fact that I'm going to invest 2-3 weeks in understanding how Facebook ads work, and I figure something out, just because I am good at Amazon ads, I am also going to become the same amount of good at Facebook ads. And that was not the case. It's really important to understand what is the long-term strategy behind a campaign that you would be creating, or generally whenever you're creating marketing strategy for a product. It's so important to understand that, and also so important to understand that it's going to take time and effort, and probably the first campaigns that you're creating are not going to work the way you expected, just because you don't have yet the skills to understand them and see it right away. The reason why I'm creating these sessions, by the way, guys, because there are many people here and they are just asking stuff. The reason why I'm creating these sessions is because I felt the need for content that is strategy related. If I'm sharing anything in today's session, is strategy, how to think rather than execute. And certainly hope that whoever is right now watching is going to get that.